Hi, I'm Ryan from ArborXR, and I talk to developers almost every single day, and I hear the same question over and over again. How do I share content with my customers easily? So how do you do that? Do you send APKs through email or through a Dropbox? And then what happens when you have to update the app? You have to go through that process again, sharing the APK, and then hoping that your customer can figure out how to sideload it without any issues. See, there's a better way to do it, and that's with app sharing on ArborXR. Now, I'm going to walk you through how that works today, but first, I want to let you know we offer free developer licenses for content creators like you so that you can use our platform at no cost. Let's go ahead and jump in to app sharing. I'm already logged into my ArborXR dashboard here, so I'm going to scroll down to Content Library. In Content Library, I can see all of my apps that can be shared. I'm going to choose Advanced Forklift Training. I click in on the app, I hit Sharing, I hit Share, and I enter the organization ID, which in this case is Acme Corp. Now from here, I have two different options: share latest version or auto updating, or share specific versions. They both have benefits to them, but share latest version is really cool in the sense that you can make updates to your APK that you've already shared with customers, and it sends out those updates automatically. So I'm going to choose that, and I'm going to hit share. And voila, it's done. You can tell that it's shared because underneath organization, you can see Acme Corp, and I can see the version, and I see status as pending. Now, let's act like we're the customer. I'm in Acme Corp's dashboard, and I scroll down to my content library, where I can see that pending has a notification, and inside of there, I see Advanced Forklift Training ready to add to my library. And just in case you're worried about it, we also make sure that your customer gets an email letting them know that you've shared this app with them. They can click this link from here, which will launch them back over to their content library. From here, I'm going to add it, and in seconds, it's available in my managed apps for me to deploy to thousands of headsets in different states and departments with ease. Now, if I imagine that I'm you again, you may want to know that this has been accepted. So I can go back into sharing as the developer, and I can see that the status is now accepted with a timestamp. It's that easy. It can save you time and energy and improve your customer's experience, all with app sharing on ArborXR. And there's so many other benefits too. You can roll back versions, you can add version notes, you can revoke access, and you can also see a certain level of app usage and downloads from your customers. And again, don't forget, we offer free developer licenses for you so that you can use our platform at no cost. Thank you very much and have a good day.